All right, let's take a look at this. How do you install the protective tube for the Videojet 1000 series? First, we install this tube. For the 3 tubes, we insert them from the side. After inserting them from the side, we follow the order. We can start with this one first. First, install the red one. For this red cleaning tube, we insert it through the hole at the bottom here. There's a hole here, but it's a bit hard to find. If it's difficult to insert, we can pull this tube out. We can pull it out first and then insert it. After pulling this component out, the resulting hole becomes quite clearly visible. Once it's completely clear, we can then proceed to gently insert it in. We thread it through, and once it's through, just leave it here for now. All right, now let's thread this tube, this solid wood tube. Videojet. I've threaded it through here as well. Here. Okay. These 2 thin tubes, one red, which is the cleaning tube, and this one, the slightly thinner transparent tube, is the supply tube. There's also a thicker one for recycling. We'll thread the recycling one through as well, pressing it here to guide it down. We put the white supply tube in the wrong spot. It should go in this position. You insert the cleaning tube here, and because the recycling tube is a bit loose, it goes into this position right here, and then we insert it here. I thread it through to here, bring it over here. All right, now we're threading the thick recycling tube. This is the dog meat tube. Yeah, we just thread it through this hole. Yeah, that'll do. Pull the 3 tubes tight from underneath, pull them tight like this, then take all the wires from the back and thread them through this hole as well. How is it done? Well, it's quite simple, just like this. You carefully pull all of the necessary wires through this designated hole and then gently guide them onto our protective mat. I still have the ground wire. There are 2 ground wires. All right, let's attach the 2 ground wires from the flexible tube here. Look here, there are still screws. Let's find the screws and tighten them in. Not reduce them. Let's also insert this air tube properly. This is our only opening. Just plug it in and it's done. The phone is blocking my view. I can't see clearly. All right, we'll insert the air tube right here. Okay. Oh, yeah. As for this yellow wire at the back, it's for installing our air tube for our air pump, the positive pressure pump. We just need to thread it through like this. All right, we still have these essential wires here, so you just need to carefully connect them all up and then securely plug them in. Our primary network cable then goes directly into this designated port right here. This network cable was unplugged earlier for convenience, so it wouldn't get in the way. Now we'll plug it back in. If I feel like it's in the way, I can plug it in at the very end. Otherwise, it does get a bit obstructive. We're also installing these few buttons. And the wire from my high voltage pack, let me show you. All right, let's thread the wire through from the back here. Yeah, run the ribbon cable through the back and then I can plug it in here after a loop. Right here. Okay, because right now we're organizing the wires. These two wires, just like the past 2 days, you have to come from the back as well. Oh, plug it in right here. Put it here. Inside. Okay, and there's one more. The electric planer wire, the electric planer is connected over there, and the circuit plugs in right here at this spot. This one also hangs from the back, so we still route it from the back. Put it on the floor. Put it here. As for these two, are they anti-static? The size is different, so you really can't put them in the wrong place. Just make sure you don't get it wrong. Finally, we'll plug in this network cable. Okay, the circuit on this side is all plugged in. We finished plugging it in. On the side, we can fasten these the 4 screws on the outside. Good morning. Let's install the 4 screws at the back because we need to tighten them properly. Let's take another look inside. On our circuit board side, we've already installed the wires, and as for the pipes below, just install these pipes the same way they were before. Just put them back on as they were. All right, originally they were installed here, one red and one colorless. The red one is the cleaning pipe, and the colorless one is the waste pipe. Let's remove the original labels from here. Okay, please install them right here. All right, the red one, there's a red mark here. Install it right here. Now let's remove the original pipes and install them one by one in the corresponding positions. It's better to use sandpaper on the inside of the pipe since it's quite smooth. To make installation easier, we'll use sandpaper. Insert it into its original position where it was before. All right. After checking, we'll put the red and yellow labels on. Not sure about this one. Put it on. This red one is the same as before. Now that the red one is securely installed, we can remove this part. Let's take off the chopstick holder on the outside. Abalone, a marine mollusk. Your red pipe goes here. Don't take a picture of the position. Let's install the red pipe. Murder. Okay. All right, once it's installed, we have the red marker. Pull it over there. Okay, then install it here again.
All right, let's carefully thread this through as well and consider it done.
Oh, just wait a second, please. Let me check that for you.
We've wrapped it up here. It's all wrapped up.
Put it in the back. Just a moment. Let's get this Moxie grass slide. Install it and then install it again.
Just a moment. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Mm. Dear, if it won't go down, don't move it. For this thick pipe, just press it here. Press it here. Okay. Our canister goes from the top. If you shine the light like that, I can't see what you're doing. It's just that my hand can't reach through.
Then, oh, I have to.
Don't wait. Don't move my arm for a second. You can't see clearly again, huh? I really can't see, but I can hold it from my side. I can handle these. We've already done ours. Install the wild and protection modules. Ah, the module. Please hold on for a moment. Let us install it first, if you would. C'est now. Okay, we've installed the protective block, and there are still some left on top. There are more. 2 screws. All right, holographic is okay for me.
What module is that? First, we need to install the high voltage wire for the printing module.
Fuse.
All right, we've installed all the screws and all the modules for the printing module are done. Okay, we've finished installing the entire back part. For the previous series of Videojet machines, this is the installation of the entire rear pipe. The throat pipe, this is the installation of the entire throat pipe. Monkey, if it's about the monkey's dog,